Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to automatically comment on TikTok using the MKTik Pro software. With this software you can manage an unlimited number of TikTok accounts. If you want to auto comment, we will click on the seeding section. There, the seeding function. I will click on the part seeding according to the video. Then you can refer to the configuration, the parameters I have set up here. Then for these video links, we just need to enter our video links here, videos that I want to comment automatically. So here I will demo for you with a video link that has a video link with few interactions, no comments at all. There, so when you copy the link, I will copy just these characters, the characters before the question mark, and after the question mark I will leave out. You can refer to what I'm doing here. There, now I will enter it here. After copying the link, I'll enter it here and set the video watch time. There, in the comment content section, we'll enter the comment content here. There, I'll enter the comment content I want. After that, we save it. After setting up the comment content, you can check the box that says do not comment with the same content. If you only have one comment content, you can uncheck this box. As for me, since I don't want to comment with the same content, I'll check this box. So after finishing the setup, I'll select the account and click start. Then the software will automatically do the seeding and comment on the videos for me. There, after carefully watching the entire video, the intelligent software will automatically generate comprehensive comments and detailed feedback for me. Here you can see the software is automatically entering the comment content that I have already set up. If you want a tool like this, feel free to contact me. I've left my contact information below. Goodbye and see you next time.